Proficiency Testing PT Services. Hello everyone. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited. In today's session, we will discuss an extremely important subject for testing and calibration laboratories. Proficiency Testing, commonly known as PT. URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited provides proficiency testing services worldwide, supporting testing and calibration laboratories in monitoring analytical performance, strengthening quality assurance systems, and meeting NABL and international accreditation requirements. In association with approved and competent partner organizations across multiple countries. This video is especially useful for NABL accredited laboratories applying for ISO/IEC 17025 accreditation, quality managers, technical managers, and laboratory heads, organizations aiming to strengthen laboratory competence. Let us begin by understanding what proficiency testing really means and why it is critical. What is proficiency testing? Proficiency testing is formally defined as the evaluation of participant performance against pre-established criteria by means of inter-laboratory comparisons. In simple terms, proficiency testing involves multiple laboratories testing the same or similar samples using their routine test methods, submitting results for independent evaluation, comparing performance against defined acceptance criteria. Proficiency testing is a core element of laboratory quality control and continual improvement. It helps laboratories verify whether their test results are accurate, reliable, and technically valid. Unlike internal quality checks, PT provides external objective assessment, benchmarking against peer laboratories, independent confirmation of competence. Why proficiency testing is essential? Let us understand why proficiency testing is not optional but essential. Even well-established laboratories may face instrument calibration drift, method implementation issues, analyzed variability, environmental influences, calculation or transcription errors. Proficiency testing helps laboratories to detect unsuspected or hidden errors, validate test methods and procedures, assess staff competency, confirm measurement uncertainty assumptions, strengthen confidence in reported results. In short, proficiency testing answers a critical question. Can our laboratory produce technically valid and reliable results on a consistent basis? Purpose and value of proficiency testing. Let us look at the key objectives and benefits of proficiency testing. First, performance evaluation. PT evaluates laboratory performance against pre-established acceptance criteria such as Z scores, EN scores, percentage deviation. Assigned value comparisons. This allows laboratories to clearly understand whether their performance is satisfactory, questionable, unsatisfactory. Second, benchmarking. Proficiency testing enables laboratories to compare performance with peer laboratories, understand their relative technical standing, identify areas requiring improvement. Third, confidence and credibility. Successful PT participation enhances customer confidence, regulatory acceptance, accreditation body trust. Fourth, continual improvement. PT results are powerful tools for root cause analysis, corrective actions, preventive measures, quality system strengthening. Proficiency testing and ISO/IEC 17025 requirements. Now let us talk about accreditation requirements, especially ISO/IEC 17025 and NABL. For NABL accredited laboratories accredited as per ISO/IEC 17025 are required to participate in proficiency testing programs for all accredited parameters. Plan PT participation as part of a 4-year accreditation cycle. Demonstrate effective evaluation and corrective action for PT results. Failure to participate or address unsatisfactory PT results may lead to non-conformities, scope reduction, accreditation suspension. For laboratories applying for accreditation, laboratories seeking NABL accreditation must successfully participate in at least one proficiency testing program for each discipline applied prior to grant of accreditation. URGS PT services are structured to support both accredited and applicant laboratories in meeting these mandatory requirements smoothly. URGS Proficiency Testing Services Global Approach. URGS International provides proficiency testing services worldwide in association with approved and competent PT providers and partner organizations. Our goal approach ensures technical consistency, standardized evaluation criteria, confidentiality and impartiality, compliance with international best practices. We support laboratories across chemical testing, mechanical testing, construction materials, environmental testing, calibration disciplines, industrial and engineering sectors. Our proficiency testing service offering. Let us now look at what URGS offers under its proficiency testing services. First, worldwide coordination of PT programs. We assist laboratories in identifying suitable PT schemes, planning PT participation across accreditation cycles, coordinating with approved PT providers globally. Second, inter-laboratory comparison studies. URGS facilitates organized inter-laboratory comparisons, standardized sample distribution, defined testing timelines and protocols. Third, performance evaluation. We support evaluation against defined acceptance criteria, interpretation of Z scores, EN scores, and performance indicators, understanding satisfactory and unsatisfactory outcomes. Fourth, confidential and technical reporting. PT reports are confidential, technically sound, clearly structured for audit review. Fifth, audit-ready documentation. We help laboratories maintain PT participation records, performance evaluations, corrective action documentation, management review inputs. This ensures smooth NABL and international accreditation assessments. Handling unsatisfactory PT results. One of the most important aspects of proficiency testing is how laboratories respond to unsatisfactory results. URGS supports laboratories in root cause analysis, method review, instrument verification, staff retraining, corrective and preventive action planning. Remember, an unsatisfactory PT result is not a failure, but an opportunity for improvement, provided it is handled correctly and systematically. Who should use URGS PT services? URGS proficiency testing services are ideal for NABL accredited laboratories, laboratories applying for ISO/IEC 17025 accreditation, testing and calibration laboratories, quality managers and technical managers, organizations aiming for international recognition. Why choose URGS? Here is why laboratories choose URGS. Worldwide PT service coordination, association with approved and competent partner organizations, strong understanding of NABL and ISO/IEC 17025 requirements, practical audit focused support, confidential, professional and reliable approach. URGS does not just coordinate PT, we help laboratories build confidence, competence and compliance. Now contact and closing. Thank you for watching this detailed overview of proficiency testing services by URGS International Engineering Services Pvt. Limited. If you would like support with proficiency testing participation, NABL compliance, accreditation readiness, PT result evaluation and documentation, please contact us. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com, mobile +91 7359 458455. URGS International Engineering Services Pvt. Limited, enabling laboratory competence, compliance and confidence worldwide through structured proficiency testing solutions. Please like, share and subscribe for more insights on laboratory quality, accreditation and engineering services. Thank you.